chemicals, it would take me one night of stripping, and then it would take another night to wax it.
So in 15 minutes time, your prep is done, with the exception of edging.
Yes. I could come back in here tonight and strip this and be done in one day.
So 1 day versus 3?
Yes. The big advantage of it, I'm not using any chemicals, so I can prep during the day
Without,
and I'm not causing any odors in the building to people don't care to smell. So I can do all my prepping in the daytime and come back in after hours and I'm ready to wax and be done in one night. So not only a time thing, it's more of a safety issue. You're not using chemicals, which the people do not care to smell. You're cutting the cost because you're not using near the chemicals you would if you had to strip this for.